Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be making a classic Spanish recipe called Tortilla de Patata.
We start by cutting the potatoes into small squares and then frying them. We then dice the onions finely.
Bit of oil into the pan, then onions straight in.
Cook until soft and transparent. Crack open 6 eggs and beat well.
So now we're ready to bring everything together.
Add the potatoes and the onions into the eggs before returning to the frying pan. Cook gently and then using a plate, carefully flip this over. We now cook the other side for a few more minutes. Finally, using a clean plate, we flip this again and then we're done.
So that's our tortilla de patata. I hope you enjoyed the class and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.